So, a Reddit post from just one developer totally lit up the AI world. He claimed he'd cracked a top secret AI. A pretty explosive claim, right? So, was it a real breakthrough or just a bluff? Let's dive in. The post said Claude Code's entire source code was exposed, the full architecture. That's over 500,000 lines of code, supposedly just out there for anyone to see. And he said he used that leak to build his own open source version from the ground up. But, the dev community jumped on it and the story started to fall apart fast. Yeah, it wasn't 500,000 lines, it was more like a standard 8,000 line agent loop. The consensus on Reddit? Yeah, calling it a clone was a huge stretch. People started calling him a snake oil salesman. His own GitHub just said inspired. But here's the twist. Behind all that drama, the project itself was actually really cool. Its secret sauce was being model agnostic. You could basically mix and match different AIs. And this is a game changer. You can use the best, cheapest model for each specific task. And here's how it works. You give it a goal, and it builds a team of AIs to get it done. But could this actually work on, say, a regular laptop with a small model? He used Gemma 4 E2B. It's tiny, designed to run locally right on your own machine. The goal was simple but tough. Research the computer's specs and write a full report. And guess what? It worked. The little model managed the whole thing perfectly. And get this, the whole thing was done in just 3.5 minutes. Pretty impressive. But here's where it gets wild. The timing was perfect thanks to another, real leak. See, the actual Claude Code architecture leaked, giving everyone the blueprint for top-tier AI agents. And just like that, an entire ecosystem of open source projects just exploded overnight. It proved the framework around an AI model, well, that's not the real secret sauce. So, if the blueprint is public, the big question is, what's the real advantage in AI now?